sa inyo that tonight is going to be a very special night. Just like the Made in Malacanang's premiere, we not only have one, not two, but three full showing cinemas tonight. And of course, we also have these beautiful decors from Morocco. O, diba? Kasi I know we shot a few scenes in Morocco. So of course, maraming salamat. Thank you to the hardworking team who put this premiere tonight. And of course, to our official venue partner on SM Cinemas and SM North EDSA, The Block. Alright, now I will call in a very beautiful and talented lady you might be familiar with as she has trended a few times online. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin the one and only Suklay Diva, Katrina Velarde. Like to acknowledge your respective cinemas. All you have to do is just show your tickets at the entry point, and we ask everybody to please clear the center as we will have our cast and director walk the red carpet in just a little bit.